Dear students, welcome to my ninth class on Module 2 Multiple Random Variables. In this lecture video, I will be discussing the application exercise with respect to bivariate random variables. That is chi-square random variable, student's t random variable, Cauchy's random variable and Rayleigh's random variable. The first one is chi-square random variable. The chi-square random variable capital V of order R is defined as capital V is equal to summation I from 1 to R xi square, where x is a Gaussian random variable with a PDF f x of x is equal to 1 by square root of 2 pi e power minus x square by 2 for the range of x is minus infinity, less than x and less than infinity. And already we know that the mean and variance of the Gaussian random variable is 0 and unity. That is, mean of x is given by 0 and the variance of x is given by 1 in the case of Gaussian random variable. Now I am going to represent the PDF of this chi-square random variable by using the concept of two-dimensional random variables. That is, the PDF is defined as follows. Fv of v is equal to 1 by gamma of r by 2, 2 power r by 2 into e power r by 2 minus 1 into e power minus v by 2 for v is greater than or equal to 0 and it is 0 for v is less than 0. So where this gamma is called a gamma function. Now the mean, variance and the characteristic function of this chi-square random variable can be given with the help of two-dimensional random variable concept. That is, mean of v is given by r, variance of v is given by 2r, and the characteristic function xi v of omega is given by 1 minus 2j omega whole power minus r by 2. This chi-square random variable is used in statistics where the Gaussian random variable are squared and added. This is an example of sum of IID random variables. Second one is student's t random variable. The student's t random variable capital T of order R is defined as capital T is equal to x divided by square root of v by r, or it will be equal to square root of r by v into capital X. So where this capital X is called a Gaussian random variable with a PDF fx of x is equal to 1 by square root of 2 pi e power minus x square by 2 with the range of x is minus infinity, less than x, less than infinity. Now the mean and variance of the Gaussian random variable will be always 0 and unity. That is, mean of x is equal to 0 and variance of x is equal to 1. Now I am going to represent the PDF of student's t random variable of order R by using the two-dimensional random variable concept. That is, the PDF is defined as ft of t is equal to gamma of r plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by square root of pi into r into gamma of r by 2 into 1 plus t square by r whole power r plus 1 by 2. The range of t is minus infinity, less than t, less than infinity. So here this ft of t is an even function. Now the mean, the variance of this student's t random variable capital T of order R can be given with the help of two-dimensional random variable concept. That is, mean of t or expectation of t is given by 0 and the variance of t or the expectation of t square will be given by r divided by r minus 1 by 2. This student's t random variable of order R is not defined for R is less than or equal to 2. Hence, the student's t random variable are used in statistics only. Third one, Cauchy's random variable. The Cauchy random variable W is defined as W is equal to A into X by Y, where A is a positive constant. Here, the zero mean Gaussian random variable is divided into another zero mean Gaussian random variable. So now the PDF of this Cauchy's random variable can be obtained by using the theory of two-dimensional Gaussian random variable. then the PDF of this Cauchy random variable is defined as fw of omega is equal to a divided by pi into omega square plus a square. The range of omega is minus infinity, less than omega, less than infinity, for a is greater than 0. The corresponding CDF of this Cauchy's random variable is given by fw of omega is equal to integration minus infinity to omega fw of omega d omega. So integrating this function. So this function is given by what? A divided by pi into omega square plus a square. After integrating that function, we got the equation 1 by pi tan inverse of omega by a plus 1 by 2. The characteristic function of Cauchy's random variable is given by xi w of omega is equal to e power minus a by omega. Now, the mean and variance of Cauchy's random variable do not exist. The Cauchy's random variable has zero median. The such random variables are used where there is a division by zero mean Gaussian random variables. Last one, Rayleigh random variables. So to define this Rayleigh random variable, I am going to consider the rectangular and cylindrical coordinates as shown in the figure. This is a figure we have with xy plane with an angle theta. The point in the figure has an rectangular coordinates of capital X and Y and the cylindrical coordinates of rho comma theta. So hence we have rho is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Now I am going to define the PDF for the given equation. So it is obtained from the circle with a radius r. That is P of x comma y, which belongs to the real number r, which is equal to f r of r. It is given by double integral f xy of x comma y dx dy. So where r is the region within the circle of radius r. So hence the PDF of this random variable is given by fx of x is equal to 1 by square root of 2 pi sigma x into e power minus x square by 2 sigma x square. So this is the Gaussian distribution with zero mean and variance of sigma x square. Now by the theory of two-dimensional Gaussian random variable, the PDF of this Rayleigh random variable is defined as f r of r is equal to r by sigma x whole square e power minus r square by 2 sigma x whole square with r is greater than or equal to 0. This is called Rayleigh PDF. It gives a distribution observation point within the circle of radius r. That is r is equal to square root of x square plus y square and sigma x square is the variance of x here. Now the CDF of this Rayleigh random variable is given by f r of r is equal to 1 minus e power minus r square by 2 sigma x square for r is greater than or equal to 0.